guys, today's video we're just gonna kind of be getting some sound clips for you guys on this HKS Super Turbo. This exhaust has been on for a while. I bought this when I first got the car. I wanted something a little bit calmer, but not like super aggressive, but now I've kind of changed my mind. I want something that is louder when I go to a car event or anything like that. I feel like my car is pretty quiet, a little bit of vacuum cleaner sound. Now, it's not that I don't like this exhaust. I actually love it quite a bit. There's no drone to it. It's very highly respected in the community. It's very respectful, like Japanese exhaust, if you will. Japan, the culture, they don't like things loud, obnoxious, things like that. So today we're just gonna get some sound clips of this and kind of just go over things with you guys and do a little bit of A/B comparison with the TOMEI. I have been actually really busy. There's a couple things I've been working on. One, in my personal life, I've been working on closing on a new property, a house that I have to move in, more storage space, more space for cars. So more on that later. The other thing I've been working on is I've actually been putting together a website that's very specific for right-hand drive cars, specifically R34, R33, R32, and S15 stuff. All cars that I own, have a lot of passion for. Any comments, please let me know after you guys check the site out. I'd love to hear any feedback on that. But back to today's video. I've been really absent. Last video, I think we put the steering wheel on, talked about the... We basically, we're talking about the Nismo tow hook, which we weren't gonna do until we actually lifted the car up in the air. So all that good fun stuff. So I'm super excited about this TOMEI exhaust. It's gonna be a lot louder. This thing has a really nice, very unique RB sound to it. The Super Turbo, the Super Turbo Titanium are both really, really popular. I actually use the Titanium on the R32, and with cams, it's pretty amazing. It's catless, so it's a totally different vibe than this car. So the exhaust setup on this car currently is front pipe, Kakimoto, factory, or not factory, but HKS high flow cat. There's a special name for that. Right now it's the Super Turbo cat back. Today, guys, we're going to be doing the TOMEI exhaust on the R34 GT-R. The GTT has one already, and I've kind of been missing the sound a little bit, being a little obnoxious, a little fun with it. So super lightweight stuff here. Let me get a knife. We'll get this open. We're going to get this installed. We are replacing the HKS. You've probably also been wondering where I've been. I've been a little busy with some house stuff and doing some house hunting, and I've been working on a website to actually sell some of these products. So I'm going to have a channel or an outlet, if you will. So any products that I talk about, you can go and check them out. We're a US-based company here in Las Vegas, and we do e-commerce. My business is e-commerce, and so I put together something for you guys. I'll have a link down below on this exact product. Hit me up for any coupon codes on the Instagram. I got you guys. This car has a high flow cat on it from Japan. I'm gonna keep that on there for now until we tune for E85. Super cool system. Look at that. Super light. So one of the reasons I'm wearing the gloves is I don't want anything to get, any of the oil from my hands to get onto this titanium or the metal. It'll end up burning itself in. So if you noticed, I started with gloves on. I'll work the whole time with the titanium with gloves. Yeah, this thing's gonna be cool. It's gonna come out in a little bit of an angle, a little bit of kick, a little more aggressive than what I have now. So guys, this will have everything you need. You scan this code, it'll take you right in there, all their socials. And if you notice this logo, this is the TOMEI USA logo. It looks like a T and just a little more boxy shape versus the I, which is the TOMEI Japan. There is a difference in the two companies. There's a whole backstory on it. I'm gonna put a link down below. I've actually been to the headquarters of RSE in Japan and seen their operations, seen their facility. And we, as a company, sell a lot of TOMEI product. It's very popular here in the United States, but long backstory, but this is excellent product. I'm very confident in the welds, the quality, everything on this. It's super good. So we got to remove the hanger here. You got two back here, and you got one here. You can take them out this way or you can unbolt them. They're pretty easy. So guys, we got a question, so we're gonna check out the install guide here. I'm actually thinking these might be actual spacers for the diffuser for the V-Spec models. Let's take a look at it. Actually, so that's one thing that I've asked them about before because we have the same system on the GTT. The GTT has a different part number, the R33 has a different part number. The GTT, for example, the flange is actually clocked differently, and so it's totally different up front. The actually cat delete pipe is not even sold by them. You have to, like, I think I ordered mine from Australia or something. So basically, the cars are different. It has to do with a little bit of the length of the bumper. The GTT bumper comes in a little more, GT-R bumper comes out. So if you put one on the other, you'll end up getting it burnt and stuff like that. So there's just slight differences. I wanted to spend the time and lay them all out for you guys, but we got 20 more minutes to get this on. So that's what we're gonna do today. So guys, this is a Amori Nismo rear tow hook. Very specific that you can only buy this at the Amori factory in Japan. So I had my friend pick it up for me. On the last trip, I was actually in Japan, but I couldn't make it there. This is just gonna mount right here.